Hey guys, go with the flow here. So hopefully you watched my previous video over prepping a pistol for a Kydex holster. If not, the link will be in the description below, so please watch that and it will be so much easier to follow along on this video. So today we're going to continue making this holster, and it's going to be an inside the waistband holster. So this right here is our homemade vacuum press, and we'll be using this once we get our Kydex heated up. So for this small of gun, you only need about a 7x7-ish piece of Kydex. So lift this lid up here. So we're going to be making a right-handed holster. To tell which side of the gun needs to be facing up is you look down the barrel of the gun, and if you're right-handed, the right-hand side of the gun goes up. If you're left-handed, the left-hand side of the gun would go up. So since we're making a right-handed holster, the right side of the gun will go up. And to prevent wobble here, you can tape this down, which I'm going to go get tape real quick. Alright, right here. Just tape the back side just down to prevent from moving. And it doesn't matter how you have the gun on here. You can have it like this, you can have it facing up, down, the other direction. It doesn't matter, as long as you have your right hand side up if you're right-handed and your left hand side up if you're left-handed. And then we'll do the front side. When you're doing the front side, in the previous video I showed how you got to make sure everything's tied up against here around your sight channel. So now that the gun is secure, we got to go heat up the Kydex to around 350 degrees, and as soon as that is heated, we will be right back with you. So now that the Kydex is heated up to 350 degrees, my partner's going to bring it over and place it on the pistol. He's then going to flip on the vacuum switch and close the lid and flip the vacuum valve. He's going to run his hands around the outside of the pistol to make sure it forms properly. Sorry, this video, it might be a little loud with that vacuum going. He's going to then take the air hose to help cool down the Kydex. Now that it's cooled down, he's going to release the pressure off, and then that's what it looks like there. So please like and subscribe. Watch our next video over how to attach the Kydex to the leather and add all the finishing touches.